that.
So we will bring up Victoria Donovan from Queen's University for Lie Low, Stay Alive.
Traumatic brain injury, or TBI. This can be due to a vascular problem, like stroke, or due to a blunt force, like a hard blow to the head during a hockey game. Either way, it results in a lack of oxygen and glucose being provided to a region of the brain, both of which are required in order to sustain proper brain function. Over 50,000 North Americans die each year due to TBI, and currently, the underlying cellular mechanisms of it are poorly understood, making treatment for patients often expensive and ineffective. My name is Victoria Donovan. I'm from the Center for Neuroscience Studies at Queen's University, and my research aims to improve our understanding of these cellular mechanisms from an evolutionary perspective. Doing so could not only improve treatment for patients in the future, but also minimize the number of mammals required for TBI research. Picture this. A small animal falls out of a tree and hits its head. The last thing it would want to happen is to go into seizure-like activity, resulting in it flailing around on the ground, likely drawing the attention of a predator. Instead, its brain bypasses this activity and enters into what we refer to as a lie-low survival state, similar to coma in humans. Why does this happen? In order to answer this, we need to know a little bit of neuroanatomy. If you make a fist with your hand, tucking your thumb on the inside, your thumb represents the evolutionary old part of a brain. This is present in almost all organisms as it functions in survival. Your fingers wrapped around the outside represent the evolutionary new part of a brain. This is present only in higher order organisms as it functions in cognition, language, and fine motor skills. A big difference between these two regions is that the higher brain is less resilient to trauma. When trauma occurs, it results in an outward spreading shutdown wave, similar to ripples in water. Knowing this, I ask, is higher brain shutdown an evolutionarily conserved survival tactic? Through my research, I take brain slices from frogs and rats in order to draw a comparison between an evolutionary old and new species. I simulate TBI under a microscope and record cellular changes that would indicate the spreading shutdown wave. So far, my data indicates that evolution has acted in favor of us lying low in order to stay alive. Thank you.